Hello, so this question is the minimum amount of time to fill the cups. So give me 1 second. So you are given 2 cups to fill with 3 different type of cup. So one is what cold, the other another one is warm, and the other one is hot. Right. So basically you have these 3 different type, and then for every single time you have 2 cups to fill with. Right. So imagine there are 3 different cups. Right. And then you have 2, right? You have 2 little cups, and then you try to fill, right? You try to fill in, right? But whatever you have, right? So whatever you have for the 2 cup, right? You cannot do like this. Like this is not allowed. So for one individually, right? So imagine this is what this is example 3. Okay, so I'm going to just screenshot again. So imagine that you have what 500, right? Even though you have 2 cups, right? You can only fill one at one time, right? So the maximum, so for the result is going to be the maximum in this array, because 5 is greater than 0, and also 5 is greater than the other one, which is 0, right? So what happened if the cup? What happened if the cup does not equal to 0, right? So the warm, hot, and then cold does not equal to 0. You basically add everything up, right? So this is what 6, 7, right? But you need to return 4. This is because what 7 divided by 2, which is what 3.5. 3.5. You have 2 cups at one time, right? So this is going to be counted as what round to 4, right? So this is pretty much a solution. So we have to actually add everything, every cup up, and then we compare with the maximum number. Imagine the maximum number is 5, then we just compare, is 5 the maximum or 4 is the maximum? But in this question, so in this question the maximum is 4, right? So 4 common 4, right? So the answer is 4. So imagine you want to check with the example 2, right? So let me just erase. This is what 5 plus 4 plus 4, right? This is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13, right? And then the maximum is 5. So 13 divided by 2, which is what 6.5, which is round to 7. So 5, 7, which one is bigger? 7, right? And then how do we actually use the tricky part to round to the next integer? Because 13 divided by 2 is actually equal to 6, right? So we can actually just plus increment by 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and this will give you 7 right away. So this is pretty much a solution. So let's just start coding. So in total equal to 0, right? And also the maximum equal to 0. And then traversing the cup with the amount, right? Something like this, doesn't matter. So plus equal to cup, right? Add everything up. And then maximum, just keep comparing max and with the cup, right? So when I return, just return max is either what max comma total plus 1 divided by 2, right? And this is the solution. Submit. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. This is a space constant. This is a time out of n. N represents the length of the months. Right, it should be out of 3, but whatever. The n could be longer if you want to have different type of cups. So that's it. Alright, so I will see you later. Bye.